COFFEEKISSES, this is Jess. I'm here with a video of an unboxing of my ring light stand. So let's get straight into it. We got the ring light, the little tripod for the phone, the little thing for the phone, and this is the one that I got. And then this right here, I'm guessing is the actual stand. So I will be right back when I open everything. And we're back. We gotta screw this piece into the ring light. And the little switch is connected to the ring light. Here are the instructions so you can get a better look. This is the stand. And I will be back once I figure out the next step. You screw this part to the bottom of the ring light, and then after that I'm going to screw it on top right there. And I got it attached to it. You gotta take off this black cap that was right on top of this to put this on the ring light. It is pretty tall, and I will be right back when I attach this and this also. Now back to what I was saying. This right here, it came with a bag and another bag to put your tripod in. The other one was for your ring light. Here is the back. And that is my baby in the background. And this thing is pretty tall. It's standing on top of my table, but it's almost as tall as me. And I am 5'2". It came with instructions for the clicker button also. So you can see it for yourself. And there's the clicker button. But one thing is, I am disappointed because it was supposed to come with a pad thing, like one of those, but it's only for 2 phones, and that's not what was displayed on the internet. But that is my unboxing of my ring light, and I will put a link in the description for this product. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video next week. Bye!